They say joy comes in the morning, but I woke up feeling so much pain and grief. And they say true strength is found in being weak. Well, I haven't felt so hopeless in a long time. And shake off these thoughts. You call me paranoid. Well, maybe it's just I understand what's going on. And I walk outside onto the street, people holding signs looking for something to eat. Drug addicts and broken homes and so much crime. Then I'm just trying to protect my kids online, because those are the most dangerous streets known to mankind.